Today I am going to draw cute lipstick. First, I am drawing base of lipstick. It is very easy drawing. Please try to draw with me. I love drawing and painting lipstick so much. Have you ever drawn lipsticks before? It is very easy drawing. Please try to draw with me. I love drawing and painting so much. It's time to make our drawing more beautiful and colorful. Red color. Yellow color. Blue color. Green color. Pink color. Dark pink color. Green color. Orange color. Blue color. Dark blue color. Brown color. Green color. Red color. Yellow color. Pink color. Our beautiful lipsticks drawing is ready. See you in next video.